So Strata Worldwide, we're based out of the US of A. Our European office is here in Germany. The company globally focus on mining, tunneling and maritime safety equipment. From Germany, we focus mainly on the tunneling and maritime industry. We have two main pillars of our products for underground. One is Strata Connect, where we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, communication devices, CCTV and lighting. And the other is Strata Protect, where we have our collision avoidance, our rescue chambers and proximity detection. So here we have our central unit for the Strata Connect. This is what we call the data unit. The data unit is where all the information comes from underground to the surface via fiber optic. We have 4 fiber optic cables, up to 18 PoEs. From here, we can supply the power and data and receive the data from all of our peripheral devices, from alarms, speech devices, cameras, tannoys. It's plug and play, so all we have to do, if a cable is broken, you just take the cable out and reconnect. From here, we can go up to 400 meters in any direction, 16 peripheral devices, including CCTV. We have here our 180-degree camera. This camera can go on the side of a tunnel, and then you can go 100 meters either way in the tunnel without having to move the camera. We also have 360 cameras that are in our chambers behind me. Here we have our fixed telephones for underground and surface. You can have a free dial, another telephone, or we have quick call for emergencies with the telephone numbers monitored here. We also have our Wi-Fi access points that usually are around every 250 meters underground, giving full coverage of Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz and also Bluetooth. We have two types of AI camera. We have the smaller type, this one, and we have a larger type for larger vehicles. The AI camera will sit on the vehicle, monitoring people and vehicles around, and it will set from predefined distances. If somebody comes into a zone, they will change color. So if anyone gets closer, they will be red. But what that will also do, it will notify the driver audio and visually. And we can also connect that to the CAN bus and slow the vehicle and stop the vehicle down to stop any interactions with a person or an accident. So here we have our latest product on the market. This is the modular ERCM refuge chamber. From our traditional refuge chambers that are one piece and solid, we have moved to a modular unit that can be expanded and the size changes. What that benefit gives is to the customer and to us that if they need a smaller chamber at the beginning, they can then expand during operations, or vice versa. If they need a smaller one, they can make it smaller. So inside our ERCM is our latest product, which we call the Strata HMI. The Strata HMI is there to take away any effort from people in an emergency when they have to enter a refuge chamber in the case of fire, smoke, or for whatever reason. Instead of having to make calculations, turn switches, press buttons, they come in, the chamber activates itself, the lights come on. From here we can activate the chamber, monitor all of the gas levels, we can see graphs, we can take the data from here to the surface, see all the different gas sensors, monitor the air condition, the siren. We can also determine they can press how many people are in the chamber. That determines how often they have to change the soda line. So here we have our ERCM modular chamber. As you can see, these segments are separated. What we can do is we can take them apart, add 6 people in the middle, or take 6 people. So we can go from 6 to 12 to 18 to 24, and we can fit as many people as we want in here. It has all the standard equipment, firefighting, first aid, food, water. The standard units go from 24 hours with battery, air conditioning and lighting, all the way up to 96 hours. They're very comfortable, and obviously it's a product that only gets to be used in the case of emergency. So although we produce them, we hope they're never used.